Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make Rice Krispie Treats. So good, and it's very simple, so let's get started. Alright, get a saucepan or a pan and put in half a cup of butter. Now with the butter, you also want to put some of this on the side. This will help the next time. Now get about 450 grams of white marshmallows. I'll just stir this until it's melted and become one with the mixture. Oh, now all melted. Now take this off, turn off the heat, take this off the heat, then we'll get on to the next part. Now add about 4 to 6 cups of Rice Krispies. Now we'll just use the entire bar from Rice Krispies. And then mix it in. Now get a good size baking dish and put the mixture straight in. Now I'll squash this all down. Now just fix it here to side, or you can put it in the fridge to speed up that process, and then it'll be done. Yummy. This is also optional, but if you want, you could add some sprinkles over it. Just to give a little bit of color to the top. And there you go. Rice Krispie Treats. Yum. Well, I've got to my recipe for Rice Krispie Treats, as you can see. Yeah, I made quite a while, so you don't have to make this much. You can make a little bit or a whole lot. Doesn't matter. But either way, it's still very tasty. It's still a little bit warm, so that's just how. Sometimes that's the way I like it. So let's taste it. Warmth. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, then we'll see you on next one for a new recipe. Peace out.